The Republican chairman of the Senate Judiciary Committee also leveling some new and serious allegations tonight.
Well, that's right. Writing to a Senate Democrat, Chairman Chuck Grassley questioned the accuracy of testimony given by the co-founder of the firm behind the Trump dossier. In August, Fusion GPS co-founder Glenn Simpson told Senate investigators that his firm's work on the Trump dossier ended in November 2016. Grassley writes, quote, "That was extremely misleading, if not an outright lie. Contrary to Mr. Simpson's denial in the staff interview, according to the FBI and others, Fusion actually did continue Trump dossier work for a new client after the election. That new client was Daniel Jones, a former staffer for Democrat Senator Dianne Feinstein. According to Grassley, Jones and his firm hired Simpson to continue the Russia research so that it could be shared with Capitol Hill, the FBI, and the media after the election." Neither Jones nor Simpson responded to Fox's questions today. Grassley said their statements are covered by the federal statute that makes it a crime to lie to federal investigators. Brett.
We'll follow all sides. Catherine, thanks.